Hello, my friends. How are you? I am Emilio, and I'm very happy to be here with you. Are you ready to have fun and learn with me? Yes? Yes. Today we are going to talk about pets. Ready? Welcome to Hands On!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's time to have fun, it's time to learn. Hands on, it's time to play.
Wait! Listen! Let's listen one more time. I know! This is a dog! I love dogs. Do you like dogs? I have an idea! Let's make a dog using this balloon! Yay! Let's go! Ta-da! Look, this is a dog. And what color is the dog? Yellow. A yellow dog. My dog can play. Yay, it's so fun. Bow, 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 bow. I love dogs. Very nice, yellow dog. Yellow dog. A yellow dog. Wait. What is it? Let's listen one more time. It's a cat. Yes. Let's make a cat, kids. Let's go. Cat. Ta-da! Wow! We made a cat. What color is the cat? Orange. An orange cat. Yes. Meow, meow. Orange cat, orange cat, orange cat. And my cat can play too. It can jump. Ooh. So beautiful. Now, we have to discover. Yes. Now you have to discover what I'm going to do. Ready? Stick here and I can make. Ta-da! What is it? No, come on, it is easy. Yeah, this is a fish. Yeah, a green fish. Fish can swim. Green fish, green fish. My green fish can swim. Now, let's make another pet. Let me see. This one is very beautiful. Ready? And ta-da! Look, so beautiful. What is it? Yes, it's a rabbit. A white and pink rabbit. It's so beautiful, right? White rabbit, white rabbit. Look, my rabbit can jump. My pink and white rabbit can jump. So beautiful. Very nice, kids. How many pets do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 pets. Do you have pets? How many? I'm going to play with my pets now. Okay, my friends, it's time to say bye-bye. Say bye to our pets. Bye. I see you next time on Hands On.